Hi guys, welcome to my DENTITOX PRO video, and in this detail I'm gonna tell you the pros and cons of the supplement and whether or not this underline actually works. So one of my close friends has been using for the past 2 months so if you like to try, I hope it sells. And I'm gonna share some important things and some seriously understanding you guys need to know before buying this subscribe, and what I discovered that you need to avoid if you don't want to be there. So please make sure that you stick with this video till the end, and in the end of this video, if you decide that you want to buy this supplement, please make sure you only buy from the Dentist of School official website, and to help with that I provide a link down below in the description. So don't get scam banks or big products thinking it is actually the original, just use a special discounted link that I provide on. So let's get started by making sure that everyone next watching this video actually knows what the tax bill is. So it's basically a supplement that cures for all health problems, including vitamins, minerals, and synthetic and natural extracts. And those natural extracts are elderberry, sage, other ingredients, impression. Every is really contains 100% of your recommended dietary intake of vitamin, and always ingredients are combined in an effective formula which helps to rebuild your gums. It's also transformation and infection. It sugars your tooth enamel to regenerate it, and it supports strong dental health and system. And most importantly, it keeps your teeth fresh. However, if you have very seriously problems, let me say that this solution is not magical, that this is not this or our health supplements and natural supplements. In actions for your body, natural fight against life against the problem, and that's why they might take some time because it's 100% natural. I am making this video because I want to help, and all of transfer is actually operating 60 days money back guarantee, and that's actually if you travel up didn't because my friends, for example, she didn't stay in the stage, but she received the money back gratefully. So don't forget to click the like button and comment down below if you have any doubts or any question, and I definitely answer to your comments. I'll see you in the next time. Goodbye. Kisses.